subscribed not and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you are new here. So I do some mostly makeup here on my channel, but for those of you who don't know, I am a personal trainer and I have a very big problem with activewear. So like an obsession, it's bad. I've definitely done Buffbunny collection pieces in the past or hauls, and I gotta say, I was super excited about everything they just released. Like, I felt like it was summer colors, so many cool and unique pieces that I am thrilled about. With that said, I do have opinions on things, sizing, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into this haul. Please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you let me know that you like these activewear hauls because I love doing them. And I love buying fitness wear. So, you know, I could keep it going. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Push that button and let's go ahead and try some clothes on. All right, so let's get started with the first outfit. So yellow is definitely the summer color. Let's actually go over my sizing first. So I am not generally this small. I will definitely gain some weight in the near future. Not a lot, but a few pounds. I am currently though 115 pounds. I am 5 foot nothing, unfortunately. I love to lie and say I'm 5'1", but we try to be honest here on my channel. So yeah, I'm little. Anyways, I am about a 34, I'm between a 32 and a 34C right now. I will say the bra sizing is the only thing I find very difficult with Buffbunny collection. I feel like extra small bras fit me better. You guys will see in some of the clips, the ones I did get a small in, I regret getting a small, even though I feel like I shouldn't be an extra small because I have boobs. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, we will go through sizing and all that as I go through. For the most part though, I got an extra small in every single piece. I will let you know if I got a different size in the video. So let's go ahead and jump in. But yes, first up we have this piña color. I love yellow. Yes, very stretchy material. I got an extra small in both pieces. I will say it's not like the extra small feels tight. I don't like pulling my leggings or like shorts up from the top. I don't generally wear shorts in general because I don't want to shave or worry about shaving. I'm lazy. It's like I'm active, but there's certain things I'm very lazy about, and worrying about if my legs are shaved or missing patches, my knees are, it's like rhino skin. I don't know what happens. So I don't generally go for shorts, but I just love the color so much that I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try out a pair and see what I think. I like the length, they're not too short, but I don't, and like the little holes, you're not gonna really see anything out of. They're the exact same material as their last launch with the leggings that I reviewed. I'll link that up somewhere up here, but the one thing I don't like about them is I felt like the camel toe was definitely visible in these shorts. So that would be my one thing. They didn't feel like they were gonna ride up from the bottom, but they felt like you were gonna have to like pull them down, definitely like throughout a workout. Like they get sucked up in there. I don't know how else to say it. But yeah, I knew shorts weren't gonna be my favorite. And just a quick thing, does anyone else feel like this? I love the materials they're making stuff with, but I feel like if you literally have any kind of residue on your fingers, like you have to wash your hands before putting these leggings on, because as soon as you touch them, it like fingerprints show up. I don't know if that's just me and I'm crazy, but I feel like that. Anyways, the bra I'm in love with. The bra I would say is one of the most supportive. The Aurora bra is the most supportive bra that there is as far as Buffbunny collection goes, and so I would highly recommend that. I got them in smalls last time and they said they made some adjustments to it, which you could tell it wasn't as tight up here, and so I got an extra small this time and I felt like that was a good size. Like I would stick with my lower size on these newer ones. So extra small in the bra, extra small in these. This was probably my least favorite out of everything I have, but man, I have some good pieces. So next up is the Cross My Heart set. I'm in love. I love this set. It has the little booty contouring lines on it. I love the rise. I didn't have any issues with camel toe or squat proofness. Again, I got the extra small in top and bottom. And I just like my boobs to be supported is what it is. Like, especially through a workout, I felt like I love that little mesh cutout in the front. Like, it's cute, but it's not too much. Like, it's the perfect amount where I still feel like you could actually do a good workout in it and not be like, it was supportive enough to do that. So I really appreciate that every single piece I got isn't necessarily the best for cardio, which we will get into, but I feel like this was the most solid set where I'm just like, okay, I can get a nice sweaty good workout in without having to worry about anything. All right, next up I believe are these gorgeous leggings. I did them inside out because I was like, I don't want to throw them on the floor. I love the print of these. I love the feel of them. Like, all the leggings in this collection I really like the feel of. The only ones I wasn't a huge fan of, I got the, what were they called? I think Luna leggings last time, and those are a much thicker material, and I don't like those. I just get too hot in them. So I prefer these or the Allure for sure, or the Cross My Heart, just the thinner, sleeker fabrics. I don't love super soft, like, even though the Rosa sets are really cute and I'll buy them, they are so soft to where they pill, where I feel like these ones don't. So I love these. I love that they have the pocket. Do I use my pocket? No, I always forget that it's there. But I absolutely love the pattern of them. I love the way they feel. I just feel like these are something where you don't really see the color that much. It's like that nice little orchid. They're printed, but very subtle print. I've noticed that when I get very printed leggings, I don't wear them often because I just get tired of it. Okay, so I really like those, and I forgot to mention, I really love the Aurora crop tops. Those I recommend sizing. I got a small in those. I got an extra small the last time around, and I felt like they were too tight to where I couldn't wear a bra underneath, and they have no built-in shelf. So I got them a size up because I wanted to be able to wear a bra underneath them, but they are definitely a staple piece that I will repurchase in multiple colors. So I got that in yellow and black. You guys will have seen me try that on with the yellow set, but I really, really like the Aurora crop tops. Next we have the Spicy Bra. We have a few bras to talk about. We have the Spicy Bra and the Helena Bra. The Helena Bra is the one I wore with this past outfit. I think it's very cute, but definitely not supportive. Like, supportive enough to where I can lift in it for sure, but I'm not gonna do any type of cardio with it. I wouldn't have sized up in it though, because I feel like it would have been too loose. It's very stretchy, but at the same time, the extra small, I did have some side boobage. Not enough to bother me, but enough to mention in case you would feel uncomfortable. Just know that in that bra, I definitely had a little bit more side boob than I preferred. I'm not a side boob girl. I don't know why, but it's definitely very open in the front. So, you know, it's all about your comfort level inside the gym. Obviously, I feel more comfortable right now because I'm leaner. I don't know if, like, in the future, I feel like a lot of these bras aren't gonna be ones where you wanna wear, they have so many cutouts to where I don't know how cute it's gonna be underneath clothes. Probably the Cross My Heart one will be cute if you can see the little thing and you wear it like a low cut tank top. I think that would be really cute. But I got an extra small in the Helena Bra, and then this is the Spicy Bra, which I was super excited about, but also a little sad about. I think it's very, very cute on, but so, like, I mean, I knew it wasn't gonna be supportive. Obviously, like, looking at it, you're like, not like, that's gonna be high support bra, go do some sprints. No, but the straps are just very thin, and there's nothing, I would love it if they were adjustable. That is my only thing about these, where I still feel like my boobs, if I could adjust it a little bit, I could have just hoisted them up just a little more, you know? Not like I need more cleavage, but just to feel a little bit more, like, supported in it. So I don't know, I mean, this is gonna be cute. Like, I could wear this with a skirt or jeans. I might wear it to the gym. I don't know. I have been in my own little world. I don't want to talk to anybody at the gym. I still like to look cute in the gym. My hair is always a mess though. It kind of ruins the whole vibe, but the clothes make me happy. I really do believe that if you have cute workout clothes, you'll have a better workout. So, I don't know. To each their own with this. I would definitely size down though. It's very, very stretchy and very minimally supportive. So, warning to you guys, very cute. Just really depends on what you're gonna wear it for. Okay, and then we have the rosé sets. So I fell in love with the white. I will say the white is probably still my favorite. And then I thought the black would be, but no, I actually like the coral more. I got the jade bra with those. I got the power bra last time and I got it in a small, and it's just a little bit too loose. I still wear it, but it's definitely not as tight as I want it to be. But for some reason I saw the jade bra and I was like, oh, I think a small would fit fine. And then I got it, and you guys can see in the footage, I can just put my fingers like underneath the bra. Like I should have sized down to an extra small. So I might try to exchange those. I got it in the black and the coral, and I feel like I would feel better in an extra small in it. But very cute detailing, very cute designs. Like, I'm happy with the rosé sets completely. Like, I will wear those, probably the black ones, like so much, because you compare it with anything and it's just a little bit of sparkle, but not too much, you know? But I love both colors that they came in. I will buy pretty much every color of sparkly leggings, okay? All right, and then last up we have the dress. So the dress is very, very comfortable, very cute, I feel like it was a little pricey for a dress, but also one that I feel like I'm also gonna get a lot of use out of. I thought it was gonna be way too long on me, and I was like, there's no point in me ordering that. I'm 5 feet tall, it looks super long, but it really wasn't. Like, I felt like the length was totally fine. I don't like things that go to my knees, and it just went above, but so nice and comfortable. My one thing is it has a little thin fabric for your boob area, but there's no padding. It came with pads, but there's no cups to put it in. So it's kind of just, I don't know. I would wear a bra underneath if you're worried. I had a little bit of side boob and a little bit of gaping, and I got it in an extra small. And that was my only thing I didn't like about it. The fabric, the fit, the color, I loved, other than the chest part. So I still think I'm gonna wear it nonstop. I feel like almost everything in this haul fit me really well. It was all designed, what is going on here? Really well, and I feel like they're just getting better with launches. There's just a few things that you have to like really think about. Like the spicy bra, I'm glad I didn't get in every color, because I'm just like, I don't know when you can wear this. And, you know, if I'm gonna feel okay in it, or if it's gonna be more for like going out type events, you know what I mean? And then as far as the shorts go, those are another one where maybe they'll grow on me, but I feel like the camel toe was definitely noticeable out of everything else in that. Obviously, cellulite wise, you're going to see cellulite in the lighter colors. I definitely noticed that. I would say my staple pieces for sure out of this haul was the crop tops. The Aurora crop tops are always my favorite. I only get them in solid because I think that they are a different fabric in the other ones, so I get them in solid colors. And then the Helena bra, I just think is like super flattering, even though it's very open. My chichis are out, you know? But I don't mind that all the time. I mean, I don't talk to anyone at the gym, so I'm just kind of like, I'm gonna do what makes me feel good, and that's it. I would say the most functional and the cute, I keep saying everything's cute. My absolute favorite was the Cross My Heart set. I will say that. I got it in the blue and the red, and I feel like that is gonna be my most worn set. Comfort level, it has that mesh, still cute, like, yes. And they had a lot of cute stuff, okay? But yeah, that is it from me. I hope this was useful. Again, I will say, I think you really have to think about what types of exercises that you do and kind of base it off of that depending on what you would get, and really think about, you know, what your comfort level is with sports bras. Like I said, a lot of these aren't the most supportive. They are more just very cute sports bras, but more like lifting bras, but definitely not. I would say the only one that I could really do a lot of workouts in is the Allure, and maybe if I had sized down in the Jade, then that would have been fine too. But the other ones, definitely no go. Yeah, boobs will be running all over the place, so bouncing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help. I felt like everything was squat proof. I think I went over cellulite. Pricing wise, like I said, I felt like the only piece that I was like, whoa, the dress was a little bit expensive, and the spicy bra I felt like was a little bit up there. I think that was one where I was like, $40 for this. It's not like, I don't think I would buy more, is what I'm saying, in the spicy bra personally. I just think I'll probably wear it every day, like not every day, but like to go out in more than so at the gym. And so I felt like, yeah, my favorite pieces were the ones I mentioned. Let me know what your favorite pieces are. If you guys picked anything up, I would love to know. Let me know what other workout brands you want me to try. I love doing these hauls for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.